Hi, how's it going? We bring you another link that is essential to have a good greeting of natural links for your web project. It is a link on YouTube, which as you know belongs to Google, and therefore it is very important to put links here. The YouTube link has a lot of strength even if it is a no-follow link. And Google will like this link because it is from YouTube. As you can imagine, the domain authority of the YouTube link is 100. Okay, so let's see a little tutorial on how to put our link in the profile of our YouTube channel. Well, the first thing we need to have is a YouTube channel. You can easily open it with your Gmail account. If you already have your YouTube channel open, then click on the Your Channel section. As you can see, I have already created my YouTube channel recently, and here I show you how I have put my link on YouTube. You have to go to Studio YouTube, and this is done by clicking on Customize Channel. Here, you will see how to set up your YouTube channel, fill in your profile with your photo, your cover image, the description of your channel, etc. I recommend that you fill in all the fields you are asked to fill in. But here we are going to focus on putting the link to our website. Well, in this section that says links, we can put our link. We add the title of the link and the URL of our blog or website. Then we just have to click on View Channel, and our link will appear. Wasn't that easy? It's easy, and it's an essential link for our link building strategy. Now I ask you to join our pro-Lincoln link exchange community. This way we can all help each other and improve our Google search engine rankings.